Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you have not liked and subscribed the channel, please like and subscribe the channel. This is the place where you can learn Microsoft Intune. Today in this video I am going to show you how you can enable the multi-factor authentications, which is called also known as the two-factor authentications for your users. If you are using Microsoft 365, how you can do that. So you can see here on my screen, right? You have to log into the admin.microsoft.com/admin portal. As soon as you log in, land to this page. Here you see I am already logged in with my account here. Okay, then you have to go to the active users, right, and search for the, since I have only one user, so you can select these users and click on multi-factor authentication. Make sure I don't have the I have an unlicensed user, so make sure you have the licensed you assigned to this user account. So once you click that multi-factor authentications, there is another tab will open, like it will open redirect to the account.activeDirectory.windowsazure.com/user management and multi-factor verification. So if you select it here, you see currently it's a disable, the status is disabled here. You can just enable it, and you see if you have to read the deployment guide. If you haven't already, make sure you read it. If your user do not regularly sign in with through browser, you can send them this link to register the multi-factor authentication as well. So let's enable this one. You see what is the problem? I think it seems a problem here. Let me select it and enable it. Enable. You see multi-factor auth is now enabled for the selected account. So I have enabled this. Now I can enforce it and disable it, or I can manage it. So this is the multi-factor authentication login page. I can, and if you want to disable it or enforce it, you can also enforce the multi-factor authentications, right? So what is saying, after multi-factor auth is enforced, user will need to create an app password to use non-browser applications such as Outlook and Link. So you can enforce it or you can disable it as well. So right, say it's disabled, let's say status is disabled. So this is how you can enable and disable the multi-factor authentication for your user account, active user account. You can also apply the conditional access policy and mark all your users in your tenant that it will go through the multi-factor authentications, because it will enhance the security for your environment and also secure your users. Nowadays you see there are many attacks, DDoS attack happening around the world. So make sure you're securing your environment, your users, protecting your users with more privacy. MFA should be basic norms nowadays for every organizations, right? You can also reset the password here. You can also add the users. You can also manage the product's license and roles here as well for the 365 admin. Like if I am a global administrator, see, if you want to make a exchange administrator, help desk, service desk, SharePoint, user administrator, so whatever roles you can define. Since I am a global admin, so I have the full access. So try this method. You can also use the Azure Active Directory, apply the conditional access policy by going to Azure portal and enable the conditional access policy. I have already made video how you can create a conditional access policy and enable the multi-factor authentication for all your users while users are signing into any of the applications. Till then, thank you. Have a good day. Bye bye. Take care.